I feel like I'm dying, Alex. This is it. My body's shutting down.
You've had a cold for 2 days. You're not dying, unless you're secretly a vampire.
I've accepted my fate. Maybe they'll let me keep this gown as a souvenir.
That gown looks like it came from a middle school drama club. I'm sure it'll be a hit at the next party.
Make sure they know I was brave, even though I could barely breathe.
Of course, a hero who fought valiantly until they coughed.
Yeah, a mighty sneeze, too. Cleared the room, and some sinuses.
You're definitely the chainsaw of snoring here. Your snores are now the hospital's new power source.
Oh no, I'm the chainsaw snorer?
You'll be remembered for your legendary snoring. Snorecore coming soon.
Fine, I'm going out in style. Just tell them I had the sniffles of destiny.